Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present our memory-powered financially risk intelligence agent, an AI system designed to help investigate potentially fraud financially transaction. Traditional fraud detection system can identify suspicious activity, but they often treat every investigation as a completely new case. Like that, that's our project. Our goal was to build an agent that can learn from previous investigation and use that knowledge to make better decision in the future. The problem is very simple. Most fraud detection systems follow a simple workflow. A transaction is analyzed, a risk score is generated, and an alert is sent to an analyst. The challenge is once the investigation is completed, the knowledge gained from the case is usually lost. If a similar fraud pattern appears later, the system has to start from scratch again. This creates repetitive investigation and prevents continuous learning. Our solution to solve this problem, we introduce memory into investigation process. Instead of only calculating a risk score, our agent store investigation outcomes, analysis decision, and analyst decision and fraud patterns as reusable memories. When a new transaction arrives, the system searches its memory and retrieves similar historical cases before generating a recommendation. This allows the agent to learn from experience rather than relying only on static predictions. So let's see the project dashboard. Here we have our dashboard displaying the transaction activity, risk metrics, investigation statistics. And now let's open a suspicious transactions. We can see a high value international transfer occurring during unusual hours. The fraud detection engine assign a risk score 82, 12, 94. Normally this will be the end of the analysis. However, memory engine searches historical investigation. The system retrieves four similar cases that were previously confirmed as a fraud. Now the AI investigator combine current transaction details, risk score, historical memories, previous investigation outcomes based on the information. Based on the information, uh, uh, the agent generates investigation report. Instead of simply saying risk score 82, it explains the transaction matches multiple previously confirmed fraud cases involving high value international transfer and unusual geographic activity. So basically next an analysis reviews the recommendation. Suppose the analyst confirms this transaction uh, as a fraud like that. That's the investigation like that is. And the now the system has learned the investigation. It means the decision, reasoning and resolution are saved into the memory. When another similar transaction appears in the future, the agent can retrieve this newly stored knowledge and use it during analysis. This creates a continuous learning loop where every investigation improves future investigations. The investigation without the most important insight from this project is that memory changes behavior of AI agent. Without memory, an agent makes prediction. With memory, an agent can reason using past experience. By combining fraud detection, investigation history, AI reasoning, and analysis feedback, we created a financially risk intelligence agent that becomes more useful over time. That's it. That is my project. Thank you for watching.